Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum my dear students. I hope you all are fine and enjoying good health. I welcome you all in App6 online support program. This is class 1. Textbook required Cambridge Global English App6 edition Learners Book 1 pages number 46 to 48 Unit 3 Fun and Games. Topic The Kerplunk. Resources required laptop, mobile, textbook. Introduction of the lesson. This story, The Kerplunk, is from China. Thought of the day. Our today's thought of the day is the more you read, the more you know. The more you know, the smarter you grow. It means, my dear students, you have to develop reading habit. Then only you will be able to know more things. You will be able to get more knowledge, and then you grow more smarter than others. Our subject is English language. Topic story The Kerplunk. Objective. Today we will read and comprehend the story to develop good communication skills. Success criteria. To achieve this objective, a success criteria is watch the video carefully and follow the given instructions. Motivational questions. Now before starting a topic, I am going to ask you few questions. Question number 1. How many animals can you name? Come on fast. You know animals. How many animals can you name? Question number 2. Do you know about wild animals? What are wild animals? Yes, these are very dangerous animals and they live in the forest. Question number 3. Would you like to have a pet at home? Question number 4. Do you remember any interesting animal story? Story The Kerplunk. The story is from China. Have you ever heard this word before? And what do you think is the meaning of this word? No? Not any idea? Okay, I'm going to tell you the meaning of this word. Meaning of kerplunk is the sound of something heavy falling. Now, let's read the story.
The Kerplunk. A rabbit is having a nap by a pond. The rabbit hears a strange and scary sound. Kerplunk. Help! A scary Kerplunk! Run, run, run!
What's wrong, Rabbit?
It's the scary Kerplunk! Hurry!
Oh no! A scary Kerplunk! Blah, blah, blah.
Run, run, run!
What's wrong? What's wrong?
It's a scary Kerplunk! Hurry!
Oh no! A scary Kerplunk! Jump, jump, jump! Blah, blah, blah.
Run, run, run!
Stop! What's wrong?
It's the scary Kerplunk!
It's very scary! Very scary!
What's a kerplunk?
I don't know. Just then, a big nut falls from a tree into the pond. Kerplunk! Help! The scary Kerplunk! Run, run, run!
Silly rabbit! A big nut fell in the pond. It made the sound kerplunk.
What? Is the Kerplunk a nut?
Yes.
That's not scary.
No.
Oh, well, let's go home.
Goodbye, wise lion.
Goodbye, silly animals. Good luck.
I hope you have enjoyed this story. Critical thinking questions. Now, let's start few questions that what you have learned from this story. Question number 1. What do you think about the characters? Question number 2. Which characters are silly? Question number 3. Which characters are wise? Now, watch the video about animals carefully.
There are different kind of animals all around us. Let us know more about them. Wild animal. Animals that live in forests are called wild animals. These are elephant, lion, giraffe, cheetah, zebra, tiger. Domestic animals. Animals that live on a farm in our homes are called domestic animals. These are cow, horse, goat, sheep, hen. Pet animals. Animals that we keep as pets in our homes are called pet animals. These are dog, cat, fish, parrot, rabbit.
Now let's start our project. The name of our project is My Animal Book. The child will reinforce the names of animals with correct spelling. Resources required: A4 size papers, lead pencil and color pencils. Instructions: take A4 size paper, make 2 columns, make a list of animals you know in column number 1. Draw or paste the pictures in column number 2. Parents can help their child with spellings. In the end, write a thank you note to the person who helped you in a project making on a separate sheet and attach with the assignment. Present your work in the following way. Share your experience and findings on a separate sheet. First of all, you are going to write your week number, subject, date, your project name and resources needed. Then you are going to write the project making procedure stepwise. Step number 1, step number 2, step number 3 and so on. Then write your findings in a separate sheet of paper. That who helped you. Write a note to the person who helped you in making the project and attach it with your assignment. Instructions to submit the project. Write your name, class, section on the top of the loose sheet. Keep the hard copy of the project safely. It will be submitted to the teacher when school reopens. Project making is mandatory for all students. Grades will be given on the project. Recap. Let's take a recap. Today we learned that some animals are clever and intelligent but some are not. Home assignment. Read pages 46 till 48 with the help of parents and they can elect questions while reading to grab the interest, comprehend the story well and to develop good communication skills. At the end, parents can ask which animal is the king of jungle, which animal is intelligent enough. Elect as many sentences as possible. I hope you have enjoyed this story. Take a very good care of yourself. Thank you.